Okay, I got my new paint by number. It's super pretty. It has the sun and the moon and the stars. So let's get this party started. This is how it comes all folded up. Don't be alarmed because you can easily iron this. Let's just check out the quality of this paint by number. They do a little, I've gotten multiples of paint by numbers where they do just a little printing. This is not what it's gonna look like. This just gives you the basic idea of what it's gonna look like. Usually the paints are much richer. All right, so we've got our little paint brushes. Some only come with 2, so this one came with 3, which is good. A large for the big areas, a medium, and a detailed brush. This is nice. Now this is what I'm super excited about. Look at this. The paints have been, the air has been taken out. Was this vacuum sealed? So the paints inside of the pots, you know they're not dried out because there's no air in there to dry them out, which this is really good. Really good. And here is our paint by number. Okay, do you see how we've got all these folds? We are going to iron this with just a basic iron. Now, you don't put it on cotton. You put it on like a lighter heat. It's like a light heat. And you just iron the back. Don't iron the front because you can melt it. And the reason is if you look, can you see this isn't, this side is canvas, but this side is like a plastic. And it makes it a lot easier to paint on them because you see the canvas, how it's got all the pits. Can you see that? All the pits and stuff. This is like all smooth, so it's a lot easier to paint on here. Also, it gives you the different colors on the, like it's printed, a picture is printed on here. So when you're doing paint by number, oh, I have it upside down. When you're doing paint by number, if you're looking for, like, what number is this? 13? This is 13. It's all gray. You could actually, like, here's gray. It's like, makes it a lot easier to find the numbers by, it's kind of like color coded, which makes it a heck of a lot easier. Okay, and here we have the cheat sheet. So the cheat sheet is this, but on a piece of paper. So if you accidentally, like let's say you're painting 15 right here and that little teeny 16 that's inside there, if you accidentally paint over that and not realize it, and you do realize afterwards, you could just go back to the cheat sheet and say, okay, here's 16. Now what I like to do, it's just something that I do, not everyone has to do it, is I'll take a picture, four pictures, 1, 2, 3, 4 on my phone, and if I get to a number that I can't quite read because it's really, really small, I could just take my phone, pull up the picture, zoom in, and I can see which number it is. Because sometimes the numbers, the cheat sheet, it's smaller than this. So it's harder to read this than it is this. Okay, so let's go iron this.